All right, today we're gonna bring some molds, and these are could be used for anything. It could be for candies or dog treats. So if you guys notice, they give you two bone. All right, for these could be molds, like I said, for dog treats. But today we're gonna make candies out of them. And look at this. They give you two molds for paws. All right, and this was actually a pink one and a blue one, and they're all made of silicone. And of course, you could heat this up, not too hot because they do melt. You could cool these out for the candy. So today we're gonna make candies. Let's go ahead and do that.
So here we have some chocolate, and we're just filling it in the holes, and we're gonna freeze it. So here we have the finished products, and they're just easy to pull out. So let's take one out now.
Oh, this is cute. Let's see.
Oh, that one's nice.
Let's see. This is the final product of our little paws and our little bones. They came out perfectly, perfect shape. Very nice for making candies. As you can see, the sides are very smooth, the backs, and they look very great overall. Use the paws and use the bones, and they're perfect for making little treats for your dogs or candies for any sort of occasion.